5 event. Racing just is started. We have Galaxy. Break quickly at the start. Going west is running by the left. Comac is on the outside. In the middle portion now is Best Guys. Best Choice comes next. Security Warrior. The next online is Time to Change. While Major Credit is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Galaxy by about 2 lengths, and in second is Going West. Ecomac Best Choice is running by the railport. Then comes Best Guys. Time to Change, Major Credit, while Security Warrior now running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader, we have Galaxy maintaining a length and a half lead. Going West in second. Time to Change now in third. Best Choice comes next. Ecomac then followed by Best Guys, Major Credit, while Security Warrior is still running at the tail of the field. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Galaxy this time by length and a half. Going West in second. Time to Change is running by the last day. Swing for home. Galaxy this turn goes clear by about 4 lengths over number 2, Going West. Time to Change, and finally from gate to wire we have Galaxy, Going West. Then comes Time to Change. Number 3, Best Choice, Best Guys.
6, 2, 1, 3, 4. Galing ang kabayan.